http www.ehv4mdg.org/points-sr/. Before attempting to handle air conditioning unit repair in your house or office, a number of elements of aircon systems you should know about. When their X system reduces or develops a fault, many people try and fix it themselves without fully learning the concepts involved. However, you'll be able that you can execute a simple air conditioning service when you see the principles, although HVAC repair, heating, ventilation and air cooling, is advisable left for the professionals. If you want to know the detail-by-detail account of doing this, we have a video at http www.ehv4mdg.org/.